See, one important thing before starting example 14. If the area of triangle is 0 square unit, then its vertices will be collinear. If the area of triangle is 0, then their vertices are collinear. Means vice versa. If vertices are collinear, area of triangle will be 0. Because if collinear, obviously triangle will not be formed only. So if triangle's area is 0, then points are collinear, and if points are collinear, then area of triangle will be 0. Now example 14 is based on that. Find the value of k if the points A 2, 3, B 4k and C 6 minus 3 are collinear. Now as it is given to us, it is collinear, means area of triangle ABC is 0. Therefore ABC is equal to our formula half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now area of triangle is 0 because points are collinear. So is equal to half into x1. x1 is 2. So 2 into k minus 3. 4 into minus 3 and 6 into 3 minus k. Now 2 as it is, k negative positive 3. 4 negative 3 is negative 6. So 4 6 are negative 24. 6 into 3 minus k. Let us open up bracket. So 6 3s are 18. 6 into k 6k. Now here 2 into k 2k. 2 3s are 6. Minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6. Minus 6k. 0 is equal to half. Now see 2k. 6 will get cancelled because it is positive negative. So 2k minus 6k. So minus 4k. Now minus 4k. So if we remove this absolute value or modulus, this you can write plus 4k also. So 4k upon 2, so minus 2k, or you can write minus 4k also, because we don't know here clearly whether this answer is positive or negative. So you can write minus 4k also. So 2 2s are 4. So 0 is equal to minus 2k. Therefore k is equal to 0. That means value of k will be 0. Now see example 15. If A, B, C, D are the vertices of quadrilateral, find the area of quadrilateral. Now here A, B, C, D are the vertices of quadrilateral. Now if I join BD diagonal, you can see there is a formation of two triangles. Now you are knowing how to find area of triangle using formula. So first you will find area of ABD, that you will get 53. After that you will find area of triangle BCD, that you will get 19. Now if you add these two area, it gives you a quadrilateral. So ABCD is equal to ABD plus BCD. So 53 plus 19, so 72 square units. Now if you join AC diagonal also, then also answer will come same. If you join AC diagonal and find area of triangle ABC and ACD, and then if you add, answer will come same.